Wi-Fi smart air fryer. Try the COSORI smart air fryer powered by vesync app. You'll be able to control it on your phone. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistants. Experience more smart features. Never lose track. Spend more time with family and friends and less time in the kitchen with cooking notifications from vesync to help you get crispy, golden results every time. 200 plus online recipes, 200 plus ever-growing recipes that lead you through every step, ensuring your meal is flawless. Every time. Every dish chef tested for tasty goodness. Healthy efficient. Cook your food up to 50% faster than a traditional oven and reduce your food's oil content by up to 85% than traditional deep frying, giving it the same crispy taste without the health drawbacks. No stains, no mess, removable, dishwasher-safe baskets and nonstick surfaces make cleaning simple and easy. Find additional accessories for your air fryer by searching for C158-6AC or find a replacement basket by search. Just say to word, handful when cooking? Connect your air fryer to third-party voice assistants for hands-free control. Satisfaction guaranteed. Experiencing issues? Our California-based customer support team is here to help. If your product is defective, don't worry about shipping it back. We'll send you a replacement right away. Large capacity. Worried about preparing enough food? The air fryer's 5.8-quart basket fits a whole rotisserie chicken or food for 4, plenty for the whole family. Winner of the 2019 Red Dot Award. Proudly designed in California, the COSORI Smart 5.8-quart air fryer brings the power of smart technology right to your kitchen. Top reviews from the United States. Worth every penny. Only wish it came in white. I currently own a 3.7 quarts digital air fryer and a 2 quarts pressure cooker from COSORI. Happy with both. So when I decided I needed a little bigger basket and air fryer ovens are too much work for what I got out of them, I looked up COSORI's larger version of my 3.7 quarts. Only to find this new reprogrammable unit. Reprogramming the bacon preset, adding 2 minutes and a shake was a breeze, worked like a charm. You hear the unit's fan but not so loud that it takes over the room. After cooking a pound of bacon, the unit wasn't hot on the outside, could touch without burning my hands. Have also made a baked potato, steak, sausage and hamburger. Presets seem to be right on for what I was cooking. A word about COSORI's customer service. I had a glitch with my new unit, factory quality control missed a defect. So, I called COSORI direct. One fellow took all my information and questions. In no time at all, I received an email requesting pertinent order info and a picture of the unit info on the bottom. Total time elapsed from my call till receiving the new unit 4 days. From past experience, I know COSORI is a quality product, 3 quarts air fryer and pressure cooker. Now I know their customer service people are professional, pleasant and responsive to your concerns.